Hi everyone! I have another hair tutorial for you, and this one I'm really excited about because it's so easy. It's an everyday ballerina bun for long hair. I don't know if you're like me, but I've always tried to figure out how to do a perfect ballerina bun with long hair. You can always buy those little like bun makers or whatever, but it never worked for my hair because my hair was so long. And the times I did use it, it was like complicated to get it even, and I just kind of dreaded using it. So I have a new way for you to do it, and I'm really excited to show you how to do this. So let's hop on in. So first, you take your hair and you can use clean hair, dirty hair, whatever. My hair is lightly straightened because I have really frizzy hair, and so it's important that I straighten it. But you take your hair and just put it up in a high pony, like this, and I kind of try to leave my part where you can see it, just to make it a little more dressier. You can go as high as you want. You can also do this as a low hairstyle. Okay, and like this. I want to keep it like that, so I'm holding it specifically so it will stay, hopefully. And then what you do is you pull, when you're on your last loop you do for your ponytail, you pull it through halfway like that. So you have this, and then you have the tail. And then, so now I look like a crazy person. Then you work on the front of it, however you want to do. I normally pull mine out just because I don't like my hair tight to my head. Okay, so you literally have a pod, and then you have the ends of your hair. So all you do is, after you have it pulled out, however you want it, I kind of make mine loose because I don't like it to be tight to my head. And I like mine to be a little more messier, but you can make it where it's completely smooth. All you do is you take this and just wrap it as if this was all your hair. Wrap it into a bun. You kind of just twist however you want to do it, and then wrap it around, put your fly rounds around the edge, and then pin it. So sometimes I have to do this a couple times for it to turn out like I want it to, depending on if I want it messier or if I want it like if I want it messier or more smooth. Today I'll probably go for the messy look because it looks like that's my luck. But you can see it just makes a really cute top, like top knot ballerina bun. And then you just have to keep pinning how you want it to be. So funny because some days I'll have it turn out perfect, and as soon as I go to do a hair tutorial, it's like a mess, but you get the idea. Try it, it'll work for you, I promise. Especially if you have long hair. So, yeah. Let's see.